All right, well, today it's going to be a 12 gauge shotgun versus a golf cart. And so I'm going to fill this bad boy up and see how fast I can run them through it. And haven't done this for a while. Let's get ready here and see what happens. All right, now let's turn this one on. All right, now this one holds 12 of these mini rounds, and then it holds I think it's 7. We got some 7.5 and some 8 shot here. Let's get some 7.5 shot. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can't remember if it holds 7 or 8. Probably 8. 8. Yeah, it holds 8. All right, so get everything in order here. Oh, it's heavy with 8 rounds. It's pretty heavy with 8 rounds. So I wonder if I got that set up right. All right, should be good there. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try. If I get anything coming back, I'm gonna stop. All right, here we go. Dang, slipped on a couple. Ain't much left of that now. Dang. That's 7.5 shot. Not all of it went through. Some of it stuck in there. Actually stuck right in the dang fiberglass. Oh, look at the aluminum where it's pitted. Oh, wow, look there. I didn't mean to hit it there. That's pretty sweet. Oh, yeah. So messed up the rack. Hit this after it went through the fiberglass. You got fiberglass all over there, all down inside. This must have been sitting in there somewhere. Yeah, that got hit. Everything got hit. The wiring got hit. Dang. Ow. Got poked. Oh well. It only burned for a minute. All right, well. Oh, that's hard. That's hard to do when you got a bad shoulder. And you got one bad, well, I got both shoulders bad, but the left one hurts worse. Okay, let's try it again. I wonder if that caught it. Anyway, we'll find out later. All right, so it holds. These here are a little bit different. They're different, a different animal. Not all guns will cycle them either. This one cycled them pretty good whenever I was testing it out before. I don't have to count because I know how many was here. There was 16 here and it holds 13, 12 and 1. So yeah, it holds 12 in one of these. Oh wow, it's gonna be hurting after this. Not the right shoulder, it's gonna be the left arm that's hurting. All right, should hold one more. Barely holds the last one. So it just barely holds 12 in there. Just barely holds 12. All right, here we go. I'm gonna move over here this time. All right, well, if I'm gonna do all of them, I'm gonna have to stay in the same spot probably. So I'll just mess up the front end. How's that? Yeah, I'll just mess up the front end real good on this one. All right, here we go. We'll see if they'll cycle. I can't guarantee it won't jam, but. Wow, that's starting to burn my eyes. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That gunpowder was blowing right back in my face. Woo! That made him tear up quick. Wow, okay, that's enough for now. Maybe I need to wait till the wind's blowing the other way. Well, okay, so I only had one there in the middle. Maybe, I don't know, about the 4th round maybe. Have to go back and count them, but I just had one of them in there that just barely hung up on me. And then there was another one I was a little slow on, but that's pretty good for not practicing. I haven't practiced with those I haven't practiced with those ones at all. Not even one time. I'm not sure that I hit it every single time. I think I kept hitting it in the same spot, is what it was. And then I hit it right there a couple times. Wow. Well, I didn't hit the tire. That's good. And I seen the Yamaha thing go flying off. I seen that go flying off there. This came unglued. Oh, I'll just leave it there for next time. Wow, that make you choke. I almost got a headache from that gunpowder because it all hit me right in the face. I'd say that's a piece off that file cabinet we blew up. If you want to go see that video, I'll put a link down there for you. All right, so we got 5 gallon of white paint here. That's gonna be coming up in another video here soon. But for right now, I'm gonna shut this off and go check the footage and make sure this camera got it. Then I'll know for next time. Maybe I'll drive me some stakes all the way ground level. Some wooden stakes, I'll drive them into where I can figure out where everything goes. So, all right, well, that was fun. So, catch you later.